What you see here is a Western Electric phone, Avocado green. From the date on the bottom says 1075. Of course, it works perfectly, and it is hooked to the landline. Verizon here still provides pulse service, so I can also make phone calls from it. And I know someone's going to make a comment. No, this is not my phone number. This is a Los Angeles phone, originally got off eBay. I'm leaving that intact because, you know, vintage and all. It works just fine. So it's been converted to use an RJ11 jack. Here's the original one, also avocado green. What I'm going to do now is I am going to make a phone call to my cell phone. And this is what the bottom looks like. I have the bell on the softest setting. So it does have the original cord on it still, into the wall. I just cleaned everything up. I spent like 3 or 4 hours on this thing, got it all cleaned and noticed up, so it's like brand new. So I'm just gonna call my cell phone right now. There it goes. I hung up. And just as well, I'm going to call a house phone. Okay, I got my cell phone on speakerphone, so just see this. Hello? Testing. 1, 2, 3. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like at delay there. Okay, bye. And there it is. I'll hang the dress my wires, and there it is, the 1975 Western Electric phone in avocado green.